Stars have just had an unfortunate run this season. Haven't been able to find that first win for the Houston Hurricanes. See the 11s there on your screen. The Michigan Cricket Stars, Abhinav. Again, this is a team that's got a lot of talent. Mukhtar Ahmed, a major leaguer. Matthew Tromp, a major leaguer. Anjan Shanwari, starting to the left-handed Sakatam with the slip in place. You can see already hefty movement on offer. Shanwari, someone who gets the ball to move quite a bit. There it is, on his legs and flicked away. That's too easy and a good way to get off the mark for Abhinav Sakatam. That team as a whole looks so good, and thanks to a competition like this, giving real opportunities. Glorious, straight back down the ground. Just stand and deliver for Abhinav complex. Flirts with it and gets away with it. We were just talking about how far wide can you push it. Rolled him. He's chopped it back on, trying to hop out. So if you can just play with soft hands, get one, get your partner involved. This one's going to be pulled. A little bit of an edge down there. A runaway to the boundary for 4. A real loosener from Sandhu. It was building up to be a really good over, but this heaved into the leg side, and he's found the gap. A much needed boundary here for the Michigan Cricket Stars. We talked about it. 11 overs from 4, pulling it at the last second. There it is. Much needed here from Salim. But no, he won't get all the way. Deuterim allows spinners to take wickets. On cue, it's hit high and hit into the gap. It ended up being a boundary. Oh, how dominant the Hurricanes have been so far today. Innovative and gets enough of it. Finally, something from Abhinav Sakatam. Just got him. What's the game plan? Swept straight to the fielder. You just felt that he was going to slow things up. Ali Sheikh dare Sakatam to hit into the wind with his own power. Runs against Ali Sheikh in the last over. What does he have in store now? Into the onside and all the way. It'll be 6 runs. And Giran Vade, where have you been? He's coming with the intent to score. Into the onside and pulled away. Will be a boundary. An exceptional manner. Oh, nearly exceptional. Matthew Tromp. He's upset with his brother Josh. It's come off the pad with Michigan, but he's shown something. Oh my God, how good is that? Where have you been, Vade? 6 more for the Cricket Stars, without question. It's high. And it's handsome. How about this? Usman Sinwari back into the attack. Pulled all the way. More of this, please, Vade. He's just played. Outside edge. It's very, very fine. It'll be 4 runs. Fortune favors the bold. That's the expression, and it's pretty. Low full toss dealt with nicely into the gap. It'll be 4 runs. It's through Joshua Tromp. And it'll be 4 runs off the bat in hand. And that got the Houston Hurricanes to their 1/3. Ali Sheikh gets a wicket. And Usman contest now. They'll need 139 across 4 innings and an economy under 7. Can he find some today? Runs straight away. It'll be a boundary. It was short and wide. And This will run away to the boundary. It'll be 4 runs. I think there was a little bit of bat on it. Want to take a look. No, given his buys. Set himself for it. That's the one thing you can't be. You can't be predictable. Oh, Joshua Trump. First ball he's faced. He's held bat forever. Big movement. Beats everybody. Interested to see that one. You know there is a gap you can try to create. Lovely. Bigger and better. Too short, too easy. It slip for this. That time too full and punished. Mukhtar Ahmed likes it there. He's very good. He had Joshua Trump in his second. What does he have now? Helped into the onside. It'll be 4 runs. It's just on 5th stump. Have him pull you from there. That's too wide. That's too wide. You can't go to the wide line the next season. High. In the onside, in the air, and all the way. It'll be 4 runs as a trick. Well, don't mind me. Joshua Trump said, I'm having myself a day, and as if Ahmed's not going to keep. Again pulled. And again, seems to be a big deal. Oh, how about this? Mukhtar Ahmed finally gets one where he wants it and takes it. Mukhtar Ahmed, better and for worse. It's beat him fully, and he's bowled him. And not known for his exploits with the ball, but is handy. And he's going to be edged, gone. Josh off, and they ran, finding a way to get one. This one will pierce the infield. It'll run away to the boundary rope. The first boundary in quite some time, but the hurriedable innings from the 2. Hold him, cleaned him up. Sushant Madani. 2 deliveries to go. That could be close. Very close. And this is where you're missing those extra 20 runs. Rank full toss. Who showed some good signs, but was taken down the ground. High. Has he got all of it? I don't think he has. No. High. And handsome. What a way to close it out in style. Vade's day with the bat didn't translate with the ball. He'll bowl just 1, give up 6, thanks to Matthew Trump. As the Houston Hurricanes, 12 for Matthew Trump. Brilliant from the Houston Hurricanes.